Good morning, Sir Leo Arcaris. I am Midshipman Vicente Relona Jr. from Section Jitoyo. The difference between Ayala Region A and Ayala Region B primarily concern the color schemes used for buoyant system to indicate navigational channels. Here is a detailed explanation. Ayala Region A. Geography used in Africa, most of Asia, Australia, Europe, and India. Color: port left side red, buoy. Starboard right side green, buoy. Meaning when returning from sea, red buoy are on the port side and green buoy are on the starboard side. Ayala Region B. Geographic use in the Central and South America, Japan, Korea, and the Philippines. Color: port left side green, buoy. Starboard right side red buoy, meaning when returned from sea, green buoy are on the port side and red buoy are on the starboard side. Summary: Region A, red to port, green to starboard when returning from sea. Region B, green to port, red to starboard when returning from sea. And this is my explanation. Cardinal mark. In a maritime navigation, the term danger in cardinal mark refers to a specific type of navigational aid that indicate where the maritime should navigate to avoid a danger such as a shore rock wreck or other navigational hazard. Cardinal mark used to provide directional guidance to vessel approaching a hard. The term danger in cardinal marks is used in conjunction with the cardinal point of the compass, north, east, south, west, to indicate the direction in which the safe water lies. There are 4 cardinal marks, each named after the cardinal points and represent. Cardinal marks are positioned to indicate the safe water lies to the north, east, south, or west of the mark. They are used to mark danger and guide vessel away from hazard area. The marks are identified by the distinctive color top mark and light characteristic. General meaning: north mark safe water is the north of the mark quick or very quick places. Continuous indicate the north cardinal mark is marked safe water is to east of the mark 3 quick or very quick places. Indicate the east cardinal mark. South mark safe water is to the south of the mark 6 quick or very quick places. Plus 1 long plus indicate the south cardinal mark. West mark safe water is to the west of the mark 9 quick or very quick places. Indicate the cardinal mark. These cardinal marks are placed around hazard to indicate the safe navigable water. Mariners use the position and characteristics of these marks to navigate safely, ensuring they pass on the correct side of the mark relative to the direction indicated. The picture helps mariners understand the type and positioning of the cardinal marks, aiding in safe navigation by usually conveying the correct side to pass around a hard.